All right, so me, like many other adults out there in the world, I'm sure are confused about the infatuation with this Tide Pod challenge. I mean, seriously, it makes no sense. I've watched the videos and stupid kids doing stupid things. Now, my thing is pretty simple. I don't want Tide to quit making Tide Pods. No, I'm going to keep making them. And so I've come up with the ultimate Tide Pod challenge. All right, so follow me on this one. Here, this is dirty laundry. This is a washer and dryer. Here's the challenge. You take your dirty clothes, you put them in the washer. Next, you take a Tide Pod and you put it in the washer. And I will add, that is the only thing a Tide Pod needs to be going into is the washing machine. Next, wash the clothes, dry them, fold them, and put them away. Now, do it as fast as you can. That is the ultimate Tide Pod challenge, and I challenge you to take it.